What's up, YouTube? To another video. We are gonna play
That's
Sons
so...
of the Forest.
Shut up! That sounds so cringe.
I know. I just wanted to do that.
Yeah!
I'm recording. Yeah. Oh,
Hey, the layer ain't done actually. We gotta make this.
yeah,
fancy.
we have to add more.
We gotta make this actually fancy.
We gotta make this bigger, bro.
Make it fancy.
Why is my game lagging like hell? What is happening to my PC? Why is my PC lagging like hell? I'm changing down my graphics. My game is killing me.
Oh, don't do it that big. We can't do it that big. Do it like this. Do it this way.
It's alright, see. Am I medium? Wait, I'm actually on medium? And I'm lagging? What an embarrassment. Embarrassment. Even when I'm lagging on low. This game is so embarrassing. It's making me so I had to put, like, bro, why isn't the game? What if I put you on ultra, huh? What about that, huh, PC? Are you gonna explode? Oh, no. Yeah, I don't even think a YouTube video is gonna go there.
How is this gonna be a bridge? How is this gonna be a bridge? This does not look like a bridge at all.
Bro, how is there a thing called ultra low? I'm gonna have to have that on. Bro, my game looks so bad. Bro, this is such an embarrassment. I want it to be like... What? The graphics card? I think they're about to explode. Oh, the amount of lag. But... What the hell? Why is the video in the ground? Bro, I don't... This YouTube is not gonna be good. Literally, I'm gonna have to do like 10 million editing where I don't lag. You need to add a log. You have to add a log. The game is lagging like hell, bro. I don't even think the the viewers are gonna like this, bro. Oh, I'm gonna hate this. Everybody's gonna hate me. Even YouTube is gonna say, this video is too laggy, and he won't respond right. Come here! Oh, no. Don't run. Oh, you. No, I'm just so drastic. Headshot! I'm hungry.
Alright, this is what the bridge is gonna look like. I'm gonna get some log.
Boom, boom, back, bing, bing. Boom, back, bing, bing, and bing, bing. Bro, this is not gonna be the best as I expected. Vegeta, leave her alone! Wait. Kill him! Oh, I'm dying already. Oh, this sucks. Or what? Oh, I'm cooking this entire meat. I'm cooking every single meat I have. I have too much. Ding, ding. I picked up some raw meat. Oh, I didn't eat cooked meat. Thank God I ate cooked meat. But that is really raw. There's still so much raw I'm cooking cooked. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. Please. Yeah, I know. I want to cook it so I can get more hunger. That helps. Damn, I swear to God, if you step on the fire, Kelvin, how are you not on fire? Your leg is straight in the fire. How are you not on fire? That's taking forever. God damn, my food is getting cold in my backpack. The cookie's getting cold. I got all cooked meat now. I got 4. Some got burnt. No, I'm just joking. I just ate them like a fat ass. I got drink. I got drink. But, game is. This is really embarrassing. By the way, viewers, my graphics are very low. I mean, ultra low, I should say, and my game's lagging. What would have embarrassed me? The game is so dumb. Oh, this is gonna suck. Come here! I don't know where to make a rabbit like thing. I don't know. Dang, we gotta make something. Should have almost enough materials, I should say.
Who's there? What is he doing?
Chair? What are you saying, chair?
Phil is here.
Oh! Shit, my bad, dog. Oh, I'm done! Oh, you could have told me!
I saw that. I saw that.
Oh, my back! You're just out of luck. I can't have enough sticks! You got enough sticks Make me rope. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I know. Like the old game. The old game was way better though. I played it. I can only make a Molotov, not even a C4. Oh shit, yeah. Oh yeah, you can make a GPS locator. Sticky bomb, shock arrow. I really want to make a sticky bomb, but I need coins. I don't know where you can even get coins. I don't even have coins. I only have dollars.
I have 1 coin.
I didn't expect you to say 1 coin.
I have $11.
$11. I have $43. Shit, I forgot. I don't need logs. I need sticks. Mom, where are these bushes at? I'm gonna eat you. Come on, like, I'll laugh, bro. I'm gonna lie.
you guys think of
Don't know.
I saw it. She had to cut down.
Oh my god! I need to do something like to make it so I don't have to worry about my graphics card, bro. My graphics card is sucks ass. It's like 4090. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's such embarrassment. I got a 4090.
Actually, 4090 is great.
Yeah, and it's acting like a freaking 100-year-old that can't even like lift up anything. Like you can't even lift up 0 pounds.
Alright, the bridge is done. You have to add some.
Can you add some sticks? You have enough? There's 25. Now they're 58. What are you making?
Making anything.
Oh, remember last time when I spelled cheat stick out with not looking at my phone?
Yeah.
That was like so fun. I actually can't believe I did that. Imagine I just did it right now. I guess I have to look at it and then I'll get it.
Yes.
So.
Oh, my head. So bad.
Really fine. When your head when the body says your head hurts, it's okay. I mean, it happens all the time. I misspelled cheat stick? Shit! I got it. Without looking at my phone. Yay! What? Shit! Bro, you missed. Oh, on the sticks, bro. It's just right here. For the sticks, I only got one. The sticks. Oh, never mind. I got 2 more. Oh, thank you. I was about to crash out because I didn't have sticks. Why is it saying get 33 sticks? What are you making? He's gathered 33. Or was I making something?
Oh, remember when we were on
Mountain?
the mountain? The fish
Shit.
and things. Other things.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get rid of
Damn it. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, we never got rid of all. Oh.
Oh, these are just. Oh, those are just here. Like the rest of the game.
Oh, this is gonna take like. I don't really want that to stay there because you know how much I hate sometimes. Like I hate on things, you know. I'm really a behavior. I'm just being a dumbass, honestly.
See, I'll make a fish trap right here, so I have.
Yeah, I don't have 20 sticks, and I just put them on my box lid. Wait, remember last time when we had cheats, we put it like 1 million sticks. You want me to go get logs or the rocks? Eat raw food. No, I don't have any raw food. That's perfect. I only have 2 spears. Why do I have spears if I have a pistol? Okay. Where's the goddamn deer? I really want to hunt this deer. What the heck? Yeah. Boom! Headshot. Shot in his little brain. Yeah, that's why I shot you in the little brain. All you can see is my fire came out of my barrel and you just see blood everywhere. Bro, look at my character. I got blood all over me. This is real man hunting. Look at me. This is real man hunting. Okay, I'm gonna take a little shower in the bath. Wait, do we have the pajamas in this one? I remember we did, if we got it. Oh, no, we don't. Get it! Really wanted it. Guess not. Eat some raw food, I guess. That's all I can eat. Ow! Did something just fall on me, or did you jump on me?
You're not good at it.
forgot we can make our house out of stone. I remember that. They give you sticks or what?
No, it's like a like trees that don't have the leaves.
Oh yeah, I see some of those. Oh no, those are cannibal trees. Yeah, I know. I know they are.
There's no such thing called.
The find where their home is.
What they call the trees.
Make a headshot from far away. I missed. Oh, there's a raccoon attacking me.
It's not called cannibal trees. It's called.
Shut up! A raccoon was attacking me. He was chasing me. Give him the 1-2 shots. I go 1-2 buckle my shoe. 1-2 buckle my shoe shot. Back shots. Oh, bro! I hit a bunny rabbit 15 feet away from me with a pistol. Yay! World record! I'm being stupid. Wait, when should we get the golf cart? I mean, we can still go on our foot, but I would. I don't know. Wait, we're already near one? Oh, like in one? Yeah, I don't know either. Because us, we passed like a bunch of golf carts. We left the golf cart behind. I remember that.
Yeah, it's just acting really stupid.
That's. Oh shoot, we have to. You got any sticks, dude?
I only have 9 sticks.
Oh, can you please? Because the fire's about to go out.
you got it.
I have firewood. I have a little bit too much firewood.
I like asking stuff here.
Well, crooked though, but that makes the job. What? We got 10 feet of our home. 10 feet. 10 feet floors. Because I count every single pallet of floor and then, you know what it gives me? It gives me 10. And
You don't even need these houses.
Dalvin, what are you pointing at? Are you pointing at something? Or are you being autistic again? What? Why is there a barrier in front of me? Go forward!
Getting rid of all the choices.
I almost shot Valentina in the face. I almost did on accident, okay? I didn't pull the trigger. Hello? Why is my character not moving? Oh, my character is so weird. It's not moving like W when I want it to move W. Isn't my W dying or something? Well, how would it die? I mean, I have only used this W. Well, I click this W like every single 15 years. Oh, not 15 years, but the first time when I got my PC when I was 5 years, I think 3 years. I was a toddler when I got my PS. I was how old was I? Yeah, I was like 4 years old when I got my PC.
See, it was really windy.
I know, I can still see it's windy. I don't know, should we get a golf cart? Wait, there's a deer. Boom, headshot. Headshot, we got a baby headshot. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I think we should be, I think I'm gonna end my video here.
Let's keep my video going for a little.
If it'll allow you, but,
Yeah, I will allow you.
alright, so. I guess this is my end of the video. Bye-bye! Why am I doing this? Okay, I ended my video. I'm gonna use CapCut. Yeah? Okay. It goes. I'm gonna use CapCut to edit. Which is my newest video.
I haven't posted a video in so long.
I know. Oh wait. I see how I was
Actually, I should end the video here by 10 minutes.
Yeah, you should do that.
Bye all, see you tomorrow. Basic probably. I don't know. But bye.